You'll be amazed at what you can do with one pan and 15 minutes on the clock. Let's go. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. You guys know I love my quick and easy midweek meals, and this ravioli in creamy tomato sauce is ready in 15 minutes. Yes, we're going to cheat a little bit by using some shop-bought ravioli, but it's that creamy tomato sauce that really makes this dish sing. You're going to feel so smug when you get this on the table. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by adding a tablespoon of olive oil to a large frying pan and heat it over a medium heat. Add in a finely diced onion and cook for 4 to 5 minutes until the onion starts to soften. Once the onions have softened, add in 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for another 30 seconds, stirring continuously. Now we want to add in 500 grams, which is a little over a pound of shop-bought fresh ravioli, along with a sliced red bell pepper. Cook for another minute, stirring a few times. I'm using a chicken and chorizo ravioli, but you can use whatever flavour you like. Now add in half a teaspoon each of Italian herbs, chilli flakes, black pepper, plus a pinch of salt. Give it a stir, then add in 1 tablespoon of tomato puree or paste. Now pour in 90 ml, which is about 1/3 of a cup of white wine. Stir again and cook for another minute to reduce the wine down slightly. If you don't want to use wine, you can replace it with chicken stock plus a teaspoon of lemon juice. And once that's simmered down a little bit, we're going to add in 100 grams, which is about 3.5 ounces of roasted cherry tomatoes. So add in those tomatoes along with 120 ml, which is about half a cup of chicken stock, plus 90 ml, which is about 1/3 of a cup of double or heavy cream. Stir everything together and bring it up to a simmer. Now we're going to let that simmer for about 5 to 6 minutes until the centre of the ravioli is piping hot. You can slice one of the ravioli open to check. Now add in 90 grams, which is about 3 packed cups of baby spinach, plus 50 grams or a cup of grated parmesan, and cook for a minute to allow the cheese to melt and the spinach to wilt. And then we're going to serve topped off with a sprinkling of fresh parsley. How good does that look? 15 minutes and you've got a restaurant quality meal that's definitely going to impress. This recipe is easy to scale up or down, and if you wanted a vegetarian version, you just need to swap out the parmesan cheese and also use vegetarian ravioli. If you don't like ravioli, then you can also use the sauce for fresh pasta. It tastes really great. And if you love those creamy tomato flavours, then check out my creamy tomato salmon pasta. See you over there.